Alright guys, check this out. I'm gonna open up this Coyote colored AR-15 and just kind of show how to put it together. It's pretty easy, so I'll just do a little short video, and then also I got a couple of additions that I want to maybe change up and see what it looks like. So this is how the box comes. GoatGuns. When you take it out of the box, comes with some dope little stickers. Look at that. Comes with an instruction guide. I don't know if you can see that, but yep. And a thanks for your order, and if a card just letting you know that if you have any issues or anything, to reach out to them at support@goatguns.com. Okay, let's see here. Alright, so this box is typically stapled. Put that to the side. Alright, let's see here. Comes with a little screwdriver, so you can take apart and add and stuff. Let's start with and a little stand. This is a beautiful color, beautiful color. Okay, so put the rails on. When you put this on, just make sure you gotta one side has a little lip compared to the other side. One side has this little lip. That is the front. It's like that. That's the front. So let's start with the bottom one. Oh, oops. Okay. Put that on and get that piece going. Sometimes you gotta kind of work it in there. Okay, got the bottom piece on. Let's do the top piece. Remember that lip is in the front. Okay. That one was tough, but I got it on there. Alright, now next we need, let's see, let's go ahead and put the hand grip, the angled grip on. Okay, now this one, you gotta unscrew this screw right here. I don't think this is supposed to come out like that, but there we go. Okay, let's put this piece back in. Okay, now slide the hand guard onto the little tiny little Picatinny rail. Oh, no wonder. Let's get this bad boy back on there. It's normally easier than it seems right now. It's just, I don't know why, it's just one of those now since you can see through the hole, just line it up to one of the grooves so that you can screw it. There we go. Look how dope that's already starting to look. And then put the little buffer tube, just click it right on, and then the little buttstock. There we go. Look at that. So you got to squeeze it and then slip it on. And then got the little EOTech miniature. Boom, just clips on like that, and then you screw it, tighten it up, and then you got the mag. Let's put the little bullets in. Now you got to make sure you keep that bullet from getting jammed when you put the next bullet in, because it'll slide back a little bit and you won't be able to get your bullet in there. So you just push that in a little, push that bottom one in, boom, there it is. There we go. And that's it. And then the stand, this goes like this. The angle is towards the front. And basically it just sticks on there, and then there you go. Got the stand. Now, what I want to do is I want to switch it out a little bit. Let's start with the buttstock. Thinking, put a black one on there, see what that looks like. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Let's see what black mag looks like. Ooh, it's starting to look cold. All right, let's switch it. Let's put the black EOTech on there. Ooh, looking pretty nice actually. Should I put the black handle? Kind of don't want to put the black handle, but let's see what it looks like. So there's a little screw in there to unscrew the grip. You gotta save that screw because the extra grip, it doesn't come with the screw. So make sure you don't lose it. Ooh, it's looking kind of dope. It's looking kind of dope. Okay. A magnet would come in handy here. There we go. Thought I was gonna have to go get my magnet, but nope. Oh, I like this look. You know what? I'm gonna try put this one. See how that works out. Ooh, that's the move. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. It looks pretty damn dope. I wonder maybe if I put a black piece right there. But that's it. So you got this and this. What do you guys think? Which one? Anyways, that's it for my video. Stay tuned for more. I got a couple of ideas for some to customize. I'm actually working on modifying the M16 to be able to put the grenade launcher on the M16, and also make the little the top part. I forgot what that's called, but anyways, and yeah, that's it. So if you like my videos, please subscribe, tell your friends, and check out my Instagram @DesertBugOut. Peace.